So today we're making these cheesy peri chicken bread rolls. Once you try them, you'll be hooked. So let's get straight into it. Firstly, in your pan, you melt some butter, add in the chicken pieces, and then you add in chopped onions, ginger and garlic paste, mix and cover and cook until the water that's released from the chicken has evaporated. You then add in the chili powder, salt to taste, and chili puree. Throw in the sweet corn, peri spice, chopped red green peppers, fresh coriander, and spring onions. You then leave the mixture to cool, mix the cream cheese, and sprinkle over mozzarella cheese, and you mix. So creamy and cheesy. Now moving on to the filling, warm a few bread slices and trim off the edges. You then roll the slices thinly and brush the edges with flour paste and fill and roll. You then dip in egg and coat in breadcrumbs. Deep fry in hot oil until golden and crisp. Follow for more easy delicious recipes. Enjoy!